Yes, I went grocery shopping and I came across these at Walmart. We found some Flamin' Hot ones and some bold and cheesy mac and cheese. So I wanted to give them a try to see if they're really good and they taste how they look, I guess. So we're gonna do that today, and I'm gonna have the kids try them and see if they like them and get their take off. Interesting. It looks spicy already. No. This is so funny. It says on the seasoning, it says secret seasoning, and they made it seem like it's hot, but it's actually like just the paper. I thought that was funny. So these are the Flamin' Hot ones, and these are the cheese ones. I don't know. This one doesn't really appeal to me too much, but we'll try it. It looks way better in the box than it does in person.
Yeah. Yeah.
So Arya's gonna try the Flamin' Hot one.
I love hot cheese.
Do you like it?
Just like that. Oh wait, never mind. Kind of.
Kind of?
A 10 when you eat it. Would you?
So it's a 0? A yucko?
Is it like 5 or 10? I don't know.
Oh, she's making me worried. I don't know if I want to try mine.
What would you rate it? Don't try it. It burns your mouth, folks.
Okay. And then
Just eat one.
we have Layla's going to try the...
No, I want to do it with her. Oh no.
Oh no. No. No, no, no,
Take
no.
one. Take one and take a little tiny bit. Hey, you didn't even bite it. Bite it. Boy.
It's like cheese, extra cheesy.
It just tastes like mac and cheese. But it's like the different ones that you find in restaurants.
Like more cheesy than usual. So not like the regular mac and cheese that I
It
make.
takes a little bit of
What is Avery doing?
Cheetos?
What is Avery
So do you like it?
I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I'll give it a 5.
I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Okay.
I wouldn't eat it every day, but I would eat it like once a week.
Yeah.
Okay, so overall, so then we would buy this again.
Yes. Yes.
And this one you say, like there's no way we'll buy this again.
But now you have to try it.
Uh-huh.
Yes, both of them.
I'm scared because I'm not a big fan of mac and cheese at all. Like, even in a restaurant setting or at home, I never ever
Ever.
like mac and cheese. So I'm kind of scared. So.
Kind of. Or you should take a tiny bit. Alright. Take the whole one.
This is a very weird combination. Pasta and it's spicy. These actually taste like, the spiciness is so, like you feel it in your mouth so fast. I feel like it's like the Flamin' has the XX one. Okay. Not bad. It's just a weird combination. Now I'm gonna try the cheese one.
It tastes weird. It tastes weird, but good. But like, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It's just very.
It just
cheesy.
tastes like extra cheddary, I would say. It's not bad. It's not horrible. I just personally don't like mac and cheese, so. I I don't know. I think the cheese one, I would buy it again. But the Flamin' Hot one, I don't think I would. I just don't like the two combinations. But overall, it's not horrible. I expect it to be a little bit like, but
Gross.
it wasn't too bad.
If you buy these hot ones, one bit, your mouth is gonna be on fire.
Yeah, her mouth is on fire now.
I
Are you not gonna eat it?
No.
No. So
I
it's
really
like a no-go?
No, it's a 5 out of 10, but like, it's good, but like I want to eat it.
Okay. Are you gonna eat yours? So did they really think
No, it's just that.
that was good? I don't think so. They don't want to eat it.
It's just that it tastes so weird. Yeah, it's weird. No, I only taste just a little tint of
The pasta?
Yeah, the pasta and the Cheeto, and I only taste the cheese.
Like she,
And I
like
don't
you
want
can only
to
taste
cheese.
It's just.
I will have something in it.
Yeah.
Did
you just eat the hot one?
So yeah, guys, that was the whole testing out how this would taste. And apparently my kids won't eat it. So I guess we won't buy it anymore. Mason didn't opt it out of tasting any. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next video. Say bye, girls.
Bye.